Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Garrett. This is earwax removal vlog number 117. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at an earwax removal performed by one of my audiologists. Now you may notice that the camera looks a little bit different. The camera that they chose to use was the older camera, and they just like the way it feels in their hand. They asked me to voice over this wax removal because they love the amount of skin and debris that came out of this patient's ear and how excited this patient was. I had asked them if they had any stories about what happened with this patient, and all they could tell me was afterwards the patient just couldn't stop smiling. He was so excited that we were actually able to get this much junk on. As we look back in, we're able to see there's still some dead skin attached to the side, so the audiologist is going to go in and remove that earwax via curette and give us a great view of that ear. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. It keeps me motivated to keep putting out this content. All right, now let's see what we get as this curette comes out of the ear. It's just a lot of dead skin. Nice long ribbon there. As we look back in, we get a great view of the ear. Looks healthy. The patient was ecstatic. That's what makes us happy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.